Hello everyone, and welcome for a new session with Devmina in the cybersecurity series. Today we'll talk about the pfSec. So, what is the pfSec? Is a term can we refer to many pfSense. So what is pfSense? So pfSense is a free open source firewall and router software based on FreeBSD, a Unix-like operating system. It's widely used in networking and cybersecurity because it provides enterprises-grade security and routing features, all throughout a simple web interface. So, for the people who doesn't know what is pfSense, so pfSense, as I told you, that is a firewall to control incoming and outgoing traffic using advanced packet filtering. So, as you can see, so your PC or your laptop is a LAN, local area network, and when you want to access to the internet, so you need a firewall. What is the firewall? It's like a door that can enter what is good for your PC or for your LAN and what is not good for your LAN. So for pfSense, as I told you, is a firewall, and it could be a router to manage the network connection and routes data between networks. Also, it can be a VPN server client to support VPNs like OpenVPN, IPsec, and WireGuard, and also can be a traffic shaper like it prioritizes and limits bandwidth and certain application, and also it can be a network monitor, tracks traffic, goes event, and provides statistics. So for today, we will learn how can we download this firewall and how can we access to it. So the first step is to understand the architecture. As you can see, here is a LAN and a firewall and the internet. So everything entering or leaving your network must pass out the pfSense, where it can be inspected, filtered, and logged. So second thing that we have a firewall rules. You can block and allow traffic based on source destination IP or port number, HTTP or HTTPS block torrents, protocols like TCP, UDP, and SMP. Also, the default rules block everything from WAN to LAN. You only allow what you need. For example, allow interim device like LAN to access to the internet and block unknown inbound connection. Second step, we will talk about the NAT, network address translation. So in the pfSense hides internal IPs behind one public IP. This makes your LAN devices invisible to the internet, and NAS plus firewall rules strong barriers against attack. The third thing, we will have the VPN setup. So we configure OpenVPN or WireGuard for secure remote access. Employee or student can connect from home and securely reach LAN sources. Destruction prevents also to install snore or spherical package, etc., and web filtering like DNS security to block ads, tracking, and malicious domains, stop connection and phishing malware services. If you don't know what is this terms, etc., you can see the last sessions in the cybersecurity series. We talked about all the terms that can help you to understand the field of cybersecurity. Yes, so also we will know about the monitoring alerts. For pfSense has dashboard for traffic, graph logs, etc. You can easily identify unusual traffic patterns, devices consuming too much bandwidth, possible security threats, etc. So let's start with the setup. So firstly, we will go to the firstly we will go to the Google. 1 second. Yeah, we will search about the pfSense network map, and then we will choose the first link, which is download pfSense. You will select the architecture ADM64, and we should choose image, because we will use it in VM virtual machine. Then we will download it, and you can set the mirror. We'll use always Texas, USA, etc. So then we click in download. As you can see, it's downloading in zip file. Then we click on it. We select extract this file, and we will extract it. You will wait few minutes to extract this zip file. Then we will search about the VMware, or open the VM virtual network editor to edit the network. We click on run as an administrator to configure it. So we add network, then we will select this one and we click on OK. So if you don't have it, you can install it online. Then we will click on it. We will click on this new network, and we click in resource, and we use local DHCP, and we use apply. We remove this check and we click on apply to apply this network. So we wait for a few minutes, for a few seconds or a few minutes. Your PC depends on the waiting time. So we click on the first one, which is auto rendering, and we select the automatic big. Then so as you can see, after opening the VM registration, so we will configure this. We'll click in browse to select the image. You can use a virtual machine, etc. So we click in the image to open it in this virtual machine. So we click in next. We can name it, for example, pfSense. Then we click in browse. We click in virtual machine, and we will select pfSense and then click OK. Then next. We click on next again, and then we click on finish to put this image in VMware. We will wait for a few seconds. Then we will do power off to restart it. We should restart it before we open it. So we click here in pfSense Firewall, which we created with the images already downloaded. Then we click and edit virtual machine. We select 2 as a number. We edit also the memory. So we need more gigabytes. We need 2 gigabytes, and then we click on OK. Then we will edit the NAT. We need to click in the first one, which is bridge connecting directly to the physical network. Then we click in OK. So we did the configuration. So you can add the second network adapter from here. So if you have a second network, you can select it from here with wait to host. Then we click power on this virtual machine. Here we open the pfSense image, which is the image which we downloaded, and we add it in the virtual machine. Okay, and we did the configuration. So as you can see, the welcome pfSense here. Then we click in OK. So we select the key map selection here. Then we click on OK. And yeah, the pfSense is installing now. We do the reboot to have the new functions in it. So here the reboot is working. So as you can see here, the LAN address, the LAN address of the PC, we will use it. We will use it in the configuration. We should save it, and we should know about the one also, because one here is not clear. So we'll take the LAN and then we will take the one. So power off. Then we will back to the virtual network editor. We select the first one and we change the bridge to. We will select this one, ring HG3290, and we click on apply. We click on OK, then we power on this virtual machine. So as you can see, we have a new change. The one we have a new address, and the LAN is already have it in the first one, and now we have the address of the one. We click 8.8.8.8 as IP address. Then this is the ping. We have 56 data bytes. So we click on edit virtual machine settings. We'll repeat the editing. So we will click in network adapter and we will change it in VMnet2. Then we click in power on this virtual machine. We will repeat open the VM again. So as you can see, we have a new interface. of Windows 10. We click on yes. What is the virtual machine is like their name, virtual machine is like a machine inside your machine, so you can use many things in your PC. For example, if you want to add Linux or any OS, you can use it. So we will open command prompt and then we click Windows IP configuration and we will have all the IP addresses here. So we will take it to use them in the configuration. So yeah, then we click in Microsoft Edge View full screen to have a great screen like a real machine, not a virtual one. Then we click in the website. Already you will connect to your real network, your Wi-Fi. So we click the address, which is 192 point. So we click in continue. Because this one is private, we'll click on continue and we will have this interface of pfSense login. So we click admin and your password, which is admin, pfSense. So the first one is pfSense and you can change it after that. So welcome to the pfSense. One moment while the initial setup wizard starts. So yeah, so then we will open a new window. So as you can see, we will change the password for the user manager because this first password you should enter with it. Then we will change it for your security and your password should be a strong one with uppercase and characters. We confirm the password. Then we have the effective privilege, user certification, etc. So all of these is the information about your network, etc. Then we click on save. So we already changed the password. So all of this is the setting. Yeah. So we have admin, system administrator. So we have user here. So we have also groups if you want to do a group. We have also settings. You can see the statue and you can change the statue, dashboard, DNS, I don't know, gateways, interface. So it's very flexible. You can change the statue. And also you can see the Diagnostica, the VPN also, you can see the interface, the services. So we have many services, and we have here the firewall, the interface. We can choose one wide area network or LAN, local area networks. So you can configure all of this by these buttons. So you choose the format of uh, you choose the format. For example, for the firewall, we select in the firewall and we create firewall. And yeah, this is all the configuration. So if you have any question, you can add it in the comment section. And as you can see, pfSense is very important to secure your PC, your laptop, your firewall, everything. We have many services that can help you to secure even your Wi-Fi at home. So it's very important to know all of these. It's very important to use a great password to secure also your pfSense account. And this is all the configuration that you need. Thank you so much for attending our workshop, and don't forget to ask any question, and see you in the next week, in the next month in a new episode together with Devmina. Thank you so much.